Oh, I see somebody already done tattooed the pavement. Woo! What it do, YouTube? It's your boy KoolieBKoolin in the building. Y'all already know, bringing y'all another epic video, man. Yes, sir. At the Desto, y'all know what it is, man. Had that nice little trip, nice smooth ride, you know. Ram did what it was supposed to do, get me to where I need to be. Safe and sound, no problems. Y'all already know, man. This thing is a hauler, boy. Slang this big thing behind there with 2, 3 in there, however, you feel me? Gonna make it do what it do, man. But if y'all can see from the background right there, see the background picking it up. Yes, sir. Right there. Hawkeye at the shop. You know what I'm saying? So we about to go ahead and unload her, get her to them. You know what I'm saying? They got the quarantine stuff going on, so they not, with this virus and stuff, there's no customers allowed on the inside, but they still taking cars in based on appointment. And you come here, deliver it, they have somebody come get it, you know, then you take off and do what you gotta do, or however, whatever it is, but you're not allowed inside, man. And I'm low-key kind of salty, but it is what it is, because they got some nasty killers in there that they've been working on. I'm talking about Hellcats with the blowers off, Mustangs, twin turbos, the works in there, you know what I'm saying? They was telling me that, like, he showed me a couple pictures of some of them that they was in there. I just wish I could get that for y'all, man. But once all this done, you know, I'm gonna be back out here rocking with them and everything. Like I say, man, they my peoples. They take care of me every time. You in good hands. They know what they doing, everything, you know what I'm saying? They know this Mopar stuff for a fact too, you know what I'm saying? And they do other late model, I mean, they do, that's why they call late model, you feel me? They do all the late model type cars, you feel me? Y'all see the Holden, y'all see all that out here. It's all type of cars out here, man. But we're gonna go ahead, chill out here, wait till Hawkeye go ahead, get touched on, and then get her back in good hands, man, and do what it do, man. This weekend, we're gonna try and play with somebody. I'll be back there in Mexico trying to play with somebody, man. I gotta go ahead and do something, man. They said too many racing and stuff like that, but I'm about to go ahead and get this thing unloaded so I ain't holding them up. And that's gonna be that on this video, man. So y'all already know, if this your first time checking out your boy video, man, like this video, man, subscribe to the channel, make sure that notification bell on so every time I drop a video, y'all know. And man, make sure y'all hit that notification demonstration, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all need to be notified that your boy dropping, man, even though I'm trying to drop at a consistent time regardless if y'all got it notified or not, you know what I'm talking about? We trying to do that 5 o'clock movement, but yeah, let's get it, ha! Alright, y'all see what's going on? Hawkeye off to get that young surgery. Ooh wee. Do y'all hear how she sound? Man, she sound terrible, man. But look, nobody's allowed inside there, y'all, so I won't be able to film or do anything like that inside there. They got some killers in there, but I'ma just chill out here till they can do what they gotta do. You know, this virus stuff got everything all the way messed up, so I'm just glad that I'm able to still get it done, you know what I'm saying, to do what I gotta do and get out here. But man, check this joint out. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? A little project in the making, but it'll do what it do. It definitely will do what it do. This Skylark got plenty potential. Plenty potential. Y'all see the cars out here too, man. They got a lot of them on the inside. I think these are the workers' cars, or I'm not sure if these customer cars or whatnot. But this is different. This one, man, look. He got the emblem and everything on here too, man. Look at that emblem. Different type of move right there, man. If I had an SS, this how I have to do it. I want to come under my Australian type look. You know what I'm saying? I definitely are trying to switch up. Damn, dude, you got the steering wheel too? He got the steering wheel joint too up in there, so it might, oh yeah, this might be one of them. Oh no, it's an SS, y'all see, just so y'all know, it's an SS, but he switched the badges up on there and got it looking real juicy though. Yes, sir. Well, man, I'm about to go ahead, hop up in the Ram Reason. Now we back in so I can poop. that off now that we all back in. But man, I'm gonna go ahead, chill out here while they go ahead and do the surgery on Hawkeye, man. Load her back up, get her on back. You know, probably do a couple pulls or something like this out here once they get it all together. I know they gonna get me together, man. Cody them take care of me every time, and I tell y'all one thing, they definitely do, man. They good people. I mean, you gotta take a little trip. For me, it's a little trip, but it ain't nothing major, man. 2 hours, 2.5 hours or something like that. Ain't too bad for me, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, but we gonna wait and see what Hawkeye do after that. In the meantime, your boy about to kick his feet up, lay the seat back, and catch some Z's, cause your boy is definitely tired. Y'all see, the fro had to go too, y'all. The fro had to go, man. Matter of fact, drop in the comment section and let me know, what do I look like today? Y'all comments be crazy, man. Drop in the comment section. Let's see who got the best one, man. It gotta be somebody I know too, because some of them I don't even be knowing. I ain't got time to look it up and all that, man. But woo-wee. Y'all see it? And got him hot and right, man. She look beautiful, man. 4-speed, huh? Yeah, I'll see him, man. They out here getting them in, getting them out. Just trying to hop out and get what I could get for y'all whenever I can real quick, you know. Still trying to keep social distancing and everything like that. But that 72 definitely look good, man. I wonder what all he just got done to it, man. I ain't gonna even stand down here. Let's see. I wonder what he just got done to it, man. Definitely purring though. I ain't gonna lie to you. All right, which one was which now? Oh, that's cylinder 7?
Yeah, both of them are from cylinder 7.
Oh, both of them?
So you can see they're detonating real bad. It's
because it's 2 of them in there, right?
Yep,
yeah, I forgot.
Cylinder, so it's just really lean.
Right.
On the driver's side, like we've been talking about, you know, with that fuel crossover. I actually took a picture of what the.
So it wasn't the coil or anything like that. All that was good.
So if you can see.
Let's see if he go ahead.
This is how small that crossover tube is. It goes behind that blower.
Okay. Oh, okay. Go back over to the left side.
See that little line there?
Uh-huh.
That's what is transferring all your fuel to the driver's side bank 1357. So it comes in right here to this rail is the feed, this line with that yellow on it.
Mm-hmm.
And then it feeds this rail, and then it hits this crossover here with that sensor there, and then shoots around the back, and then comes to these cylinders. So this would be cylinder 7.
Oh, okay.
So it goes 1357, 2, 4, 6, 8.
So 7 gets the fuel last then, right? Or no?
Well, essentially 1.
Right. Oh, 1. Oh, okay. So because it's feeding it all the way around.
So that'd be the farthest away from the feed itself. So once you get the
oh yeah, there we go. Thumbnail. I need you airdrop that to me. Yes, sir. Next to 2 of them.
Yeah. That's the one I just pulled the blower on.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, that's the one that got that secret sauce getting to it. Yeah, no, that's cool. That's cool. Go for a ride, make sure everything copacetic and everything.
Yeah, I wouldn't want my driver's side to be going lean every time I fucking went wide open throttle, you know?
Right.
Just do a little bit of half, just to make sure it's good.
So as far as racing it or anything like that, I mean, it's still smooth to go ahead and make, like run it down the quarter, or really, I should really just hold off probably.
Like I said, it's fine driving it around if you want to be in it to do things, and you know, but the fact that this is the second time it's happened in such a short period, I would say that driver's side's really demanding for more fuel and it can't get it.
Right.
Once you get those rails on, it will get the fuel, you know, and then it'll be a lot more safe and you won't be smashing plugs. Right.
Yes, sir, man. Y'all see, man, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Y'all know how it is. You can see I'm in your way.
Yeah, it'd be up top too. That's where it's gonna be. So like
right.
So you can even get in it.
But it don't
like
stay
4 or 5 grand, but then
then get out of it, kind of.
Yeah, when you're holding it to redline through gears, that's when it's gonna be demanding.
Right.
You can tell how much stiffer these ride in the race setting.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Steering, suspension, everything. When it's like compared to like an auto or regular, it definitely stiffen it up something crazy. It make it turn into a whole nother vehicle, it feel like.
Oh yeah. Yeah, these are the smoothest SUVs made though. For the dollar, for what you're getting to the tire.
Yeah.
You can't compare. I've probably done 10 to 15 Trackhawk packages at this point. Every single one of them is just
monsters.
On point and reliable too. I mean, once you get those rails, obviously, this is a little bit more heavily modified than your normals would be, but
right.
To have those rails.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I think I'm gonna do that. Like what? I don't want to tell them yet till we get the, getting all that. But once I get the stuff that we was talking about, and then I add that with it, and then go ahead and get it all the way together then like that.
You're gonna see some numbers on.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Ain't no pony boys keeping up.
Hey, I'm trying to tell you. We cranking up, y'all. We in crank up mode. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's getting warm out. Cars coming out. You know your boy got to get all the way right, man. So stay tuned. Y'all already know it's plenty to come on this channel, man. We staying litty. Passenger seat, I see how, I promise you, when it get impounded from the passenger seat, it feel crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I can't even lie. Just that initial pull, it throw you in there. It definitely be getting with it.
Yeah, you can tell when that blower demands full boost. Like I said, I don't want to put it to the floor though. I just want to make sure that you can still go out and use 75% throttle and it not be a problem.
Right.
If it was detonating real bad to where, something was majorly wrong, you wouldn't have made that many miles, and it probably would have crushed a little bit more than just 2 plugs on that side.
Right.
Since there is 8.
Right, so you're saying it's not really doing it that bad, it's
No,
just...
that's the weird thing. It's not like it was the farthest away from the crossover. It was the closest bank to where the fuel would come over to.
Right. So yeah, it's that one. Yeah, I just, now that you just said that, I see somebody already done tattooed the pavement. Woo! Man, I don't know if it be them fresh plugs or fresh tune-up or what. This she feels spicy right now.
You know she's got fucking...
Damn, I'm gonna have to learn how to do these plugs on my own at the crib or something.
She be blowing the first and second gear,
Man.
You know when you know.
Man. Hey, y'all, woo. Wee. Yes, sir. Yeah, this thing all the way right, man. Hawkeye, back together, y'all. But we gonna have to go ahead and do them rails, though. Definitely gonna have to go ahead and do them rails, like you say. Don't want to be detonating or popping plugs, but I mean, like you say, it's weird though that it is cylinder 7 over it being 1.
It's not like it's throwing 3, multiple banks on the driver's side. It's only 1 as of right now, but I mean, it could have happened at that pull we just did. You just never know.
Right.
But
So is the codes cleared and everything on that now?
Yeah, we got that's what almost took so long with these vehicles. You got to have a special subscription to even access the computer in order to erase the codes.
Okay.
So it's a bit more of a process than just plugging in your O'Reilly scanner and deleting the code.
Right.
But yeah, like I said, it's gonna happen too more so when it's really hot. When you've been driving for, if you do back to pulls, them intake air temps are gonna climb, everything's getting hotter, and that's when it's just gonna start detonating, is when it gets really hot, especially when it can't get the fuel over there.
Right. So if you
do get on it, just get it once and then let it fully cool down. Don't be constantly
keep getting crazy, and it just, if I'm gonna get, so it's still kind of good to run like under
it's 100% fine, right? But it's just having problems up top when you're really demanding for that. I mean, you could see we just flat spun first through second gear.
Right.
And that wasn't even to the floor, you know.
Right.
There's some crazy stuff going on under the hood, but you just gotta make sure that it's all supportive and taken care of, you know.
Right.
It's still safe, it's still reliable like it was before you brought it, but just normal things with big power. I mean, you know, nipping plugs. We know the cause of it too, so it's not like we're wondering.
Right, while we're wondering what it is. We know what's causing it, what we need to do to fix it.
Yeah, we know which way the wind's blowing. So.
Right. Well, man, look, appreciate you letting them know what's all going on and everything. You know, you're a lot more knowledgeable with this than I am. So, you know, with you telling them what's going on, and y'all get the update and everything like that, man. But y'all see what's going on, man. Hawkeye back together. So, time to load on up, cash on out, and hit this road. Call little money, get your drip like this. Drip like drip, drip like drip. Call little money, get your drip like this. Drip like drip, drip like drip. Let's cut that off, man. I'm in the zone, man. Out here riding back. Y'all know what it is, man. Y'all see I'm smiling, man. Happy. Hawkeye back loaded on up. Headed on back to the crib, man. Look, Hawkeye be in good hands when she be over there with late model, man. They getting her together. You feel me? You know, we gotta go ahead and order up them rails like Austin was saying. I hope that footage looked clear of him explaining it. If not, I got a picture from him, you know what I'm saying, so I can be able to post it on there, and then y'all will be able to see exactly like how the stock rails are with the supercharge off and all that, on like how that look. But yeah, I mean, Cody and Austin told me like I need to go ahead and do them rails, so that's what's about to go ahead and be next, because we got to make sure Hawkeye stays safe out here. We don't need no problems. No explosions or blow-ups or nothing like that going on out here, man. But y'all know we got a lot more plans for it too. So, you know, once I get with Cody, we gonna go ahead and work everything on out, man. And Hawkeye gonna get cranked all the way up, man. Look, I've been to a lot of shops and stuff like that. I'll tell y'all about how clean they shop is, how they know what they doing. Like, it's no, you feel me, no guest gaming and all that. Like, they know they stuff, they get dead on it, get dead to it. Ain't no BSing around, man. Like, even y'all see that Camaro came in, I don't know exactly what all he got done, but he was smiling, you know what I'm saying? So when you pick up a car and you leave smiling, you know you good, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all go rock with them if y'all need any of y'all high performance modifications or anything like that done to y'all vehicles, anything like that. Like I say, man, based out of Wisconsin, and rock with them, boy. They get you right, man. Late model throttle to the front, man. Koolie gang, man. Let's go ahead and unload this demonstration when we get back to the crib, and that's gonna be that one on this video, gang. Oh yeah, link for all that information gonna be in the description. Address, telephone number, contact information, all that, man. If y'all trying to go ahead and crank y'all demonstration up, man. Let's get it.